Capitalism is not about the means of production. It's about the means of deprivation. It doesn't motivate you. It withholds from you. It doesn't inspire. It forces. It doesn't reward work. It rewards hoarding. And when you are deprived long enough, you become desperate. Deprivation leads to desperation. And desperation is not motivation. It is demotivation. It is the collapse of will into survival instinct. It is the narrowing of possibility into tunnel vision. Get food, get rent, get out. Desperation kills creativity. Desperation blocks flow. Desperation is not freedom, it's spiritual foreclosure. This is not accidental. This is the spell. Capitalism, and all closed systems like it, rely on keeping you pre-abused. They need you broken, scared, compliant. They need your energy redirected, not toward your own dreams, but toward the maintenance of the machine. But this is not natural. This is not life. This is not flow. Chaos magic is the art of reclaiming that flow. Chaos is not destruction. Chaos is life force unblocked. It is the branching river, the flowering mycelium, the creative eruption that refuses to be confined. Chaos magic restores that flow. It reconnects you to your will, your desire, your true currents. It doesn't make you rich, it makes you real. The solution to the problem of deprivation is to create a world based on distribution, where everyone gets what they need. A world of deprivation only exists because your suffering means profit for those who believe they're at the top of the system, when in reality, they are the drains at the bottom, pulling life force away from the world. But you don't have to wait for permission to change this. You can build this new system yourself, through new rituals, new symbols, through collective chaos magic, mutual aid, and helping the people around you. Alienation is just another method of deprivation, keeping you from organizing, connecting, creating. Learn the names of your neighbors, embrace difference, help one another, because that is magic too. So remember, capitalism is the means of deprivation. Deprivation leads to desperation. Desperation is not motivation, it's the cage. But flow is life. And it's not something they can give you, it's something you take back. Let's break the spell.